Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2019 69 Reg G20 330e eDrive M Sport. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in the mineral grey, features some very sought after and a very rare optional extras on a eDrive car. At the front you'll see it has got the visibility package, so if we click the unlock button the laser headlights will come into action. They are 30% brighter than any traditional LED or xenon headlamps and offer up to half a mile distance over those headlamps. They are a very powerful headlamp and look fantastic set against that mineral grey. It has got the 19-inch option BMW alloys finished in the original bicolour jet black. Sitting behind those wheels you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this wonderful G20 that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. And of course there on the front wing you'll see the charging port. This is where you'll plug in a charger to of course charge the vehicle up for an estimated 27 to 30 miles of range. And from stone dead flat, BMW give a estimated charge time of around 3 to 4 hours to do so. The interior is the wonderful Oyster Venezia leather, and being that this car also comes with the premium package, we've got electric movement, memory for driver side, alongside a fantastic glass sunroof, as you can see there. Currently the interior is being illuminated by the blue ambient lighting, which again is all interchangeable. We've got Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to another package that's equipped, which is the tech pack, and there is more included in that, and I'll try and point some more of that out shortly. We have an Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest and the very nice M seat belts, again a really nice favourite of mine. You do also get the digital climate adjustment for rear passengers. Of course, being that this is an eDrive, more of the batteries and the electric motor is now stored within the all-new 8-speed gearbox, so there is now more room for rear passengers and more luggage compartment space over the F33 3 Series that this car replaces. Around at the rear, it's got the original M rear spoiler, and of course M Sport Plus package includes gloss rear exhaust tips, and we've added the very nice rear diffuser. If we open up the boot, we can show you there is of course the provided charging cable and the charging pack that comes with the car. All we've really lost is a slight bit of luggage depth. You still get the lovely factory floor mats of course, and this does open up to reveal some more storage space under there. Moving round to the other side of the vehicle, we can again show you that this is an exceptionally clean and tidy 330e, and of course with all of the options on board makes this possibly the highest spec G20 330e in the UK as of current. Privacy glass on the rear windows, again thanks to that M Sport Plus package, and we shall now head on inside because there is yet many more features awaiting us. Inside we're greeted by the fantastic live cockpit. The car has covered just over 11,000 miles, coming up to 12,000 miles, and we shall go through everything that we can get through in this video. Beginning with starting the car, of course it'll start up and won't make any noise. We're currently just on a mixture of the petrol and electric. We've got a wireless charging tray down here to keep all of our devices connected. We've got the sunroof pretty much fully open, so that's letting in a huge amount of natural light, which is of course always a very thought after. We've got DAB along with music collection and Bluetooth audio of course. We've got a really nice sat-nav unit, being that it is all touchscreen. It makes it an utter joy to use. You can scroll across, you can pinch zoom like you will on your smartphone devices, tap in to set destinations. However, if you're not a fan of using touchscreen, there is still an iDrive scroll wheel provided down here in the central console next to all of the buttons to activate and get into our eDrive menus. If we click the little battery load button, this will give us some battery control options. So as you can see, you can set target values to where the car will charge to. We've also got 4 different options towards the car's overall settings. So first is of course sport. This will then start up the petrol engine. One of my favourite things about the G20 330e is it has a mode called Extra Boost. Now with this activated, that will give you the full range between the 2-litre turbo and of course the newer bigger motor, giving you just shy of 300 brake horsepower and the same 0 to 60 time as the equivalent 330i M Sport petrol equivalent. Going on to the car again in terms of its service requirements and service history. If we go into service requirements, you can see there it's had a pre-delivery inspection service and its first service will be due in 7,000 miles time. We've also got full 360 cameras on this car, along with gesture control. So you can see there, I can individually select any of the cameras I would like to. However, if I swipe across and go into 3D view, This will then bring me up into a 3-dimensional view of the whole vehicle, and I can control that using just the gestures alone. So if I swipe across, as you can see there, I can control that just using gestures, which is a really unique and very fun item to do. So I can select the view I would like, or of course just set the cameras to automatic and have the vehicle do it for me. So should I pull forward, it will detect that the object is closer in front of me and switch to a front view camera, and it's the same for should I engage reverse, it will see that the object is closer behind me. I've got a heads-up display, of course, giving me a lot of information, including road speed and the current speed limit for the road I am on. Down here in the very nice live cockpit, again, I've got a huge amount of information, including my map view. I've got a digital speedo. On the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, we have got to the all-new multi-drive select. So we have got assisted driving. We've also got radar guided cruise control. So assisted driving is in effect a more advanced system of radar guided cruise control. The car in effect can drive itself with, of course, your aid, so you have to have your hands on the steering wheel. So this is one of the highest spec G20 330e M Sports in the UK as of current. I am sure about that, and hopefully you've enjoyed this walk around video on just some of the many features it has on there. If you do want to see more about the car or just get in contact with ourselves, you'll find all of the relevant information down below. Thank you very much, and we'll hopefully see yourself soon. Take care and bye bye.